Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to accomplish setting up this device. So let me show you how to go through the activation setup process on the following smartphone. At the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me find and select the English right here. Choose English. Let's select your region, so in my case it could be, for example, United States. Alright, here you can also choose emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's choose cancel. You can also choose vision settings and, for example, change the font size. Alright, let's go back. Now you can choose next. You may insert SIM card, but you can also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let me tap skip, let me agree to all terms and conditions, tap agree twice. Here you can also join the improvement project, or you can choose later. In my case, let me enable Wi-Fi plus service and weather service. You can read about this right here. Let me choose agree to all. Alright, here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, you can choose skip and bypass this step, but I usually recommend having the internet access, so let me connect my device with my Wi-Fi. If you have the password, let's enter password. If not, let's just tap next. The device is connected to the network, and now the smartphone is checking for the updates. Here you can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary, you can tap skip and bypass this step, and I recommend having the Google account connected because it will enable some interesting features. So in my case, let me connect my device to my account. You can do it in two ways. You can choose create account and create the new account, or you can use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Alright, let's tap next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if everything is alright, let's choose next right here. Let me tap agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. The device is getting the account info. Here you can enable or disable some Google services, for example, backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data. Let me tap agree to all of them. You can set some screen lock style, or you can choose later. Let me do it later, skip anyway. Alright, here you have to decide that you would like to copy your data from your older phone, or you can choose setup as new, so you can have the fresh start. Here you can also sign in into the HUAWEI ID, or you can choose skip. Tap skip also to data transfer in my case. You can enable the cloud, or you can choose not now. Here you can also add the fingerprint by using the fingerprint sensor, but in my case let me tap next and let me tap skip to fingerprint ID. You can do it later in settings. You can watch this tutorial on our other videos. So right now let me tap also skip to Google Assistant. And now all you have to do is choose get started. And now as you can see, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. You just activate your smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.